Good evening, friends. Welcome to official YouTube channel of SM Education Services. The mock allotment for round 2 Karnataka state counseling has been published on its official website, and they have also revised their allotment dates. So this is the official notification that got published today, and there is revision. The notification got published as on 11th of December 2020, and for the second round there was no any fresh registration. The candidate who could who could get a seat allocated in round 1, and they opted for out of 4 options: choice 1, choice 2, choice 3 and choice 4. They were eligible to go for upgradation, and if they couldn't get allocated any seat, they were eligible to go for seat allotment in round 2. So there was no fresh choice filling. So as per the official notification, the mock result has been already published. You can go and visit the official website on kea.kr.nic.in, and there you will find the link in the display. You can enter the credential and you can see the mock result. And based on mock result, they have given a time starting from 4:30 today until tomorrow 4:30. So there is time duration of 24 hours to go ahead and do reorder of your choices, modification of your choices and deletion, but you can't add a new option. Remember, you can reorder, you can modify, you can delete from the choices. Suppose you had given a BDS option and you don't wish to take BDS college, so you can delete those options for BDS medical colleges, dental medical colleges, and you can go ahead with only MBBS colleges. So that liberty you have, but you don't have liberty to add a new option in case you realized later point of time that you can't get MBBS college in the prescribed fee, and you want to go ahead with BDS seat. So you don't have option to add a new option, and the result will be published after you do all the rearrangement on 13th of December, same time, after 4 p.m. and there is no choice to be exercised. Okay, I already told you. Those candidates who had done the choice, who had got the seat allotment in round 1 and they wish to go for the college and didn't join but waited for upgradation, so they went ahead for choice 2, means they had paid the tuition fee. The same tuition fee paid by them at that moment will get adjusted to the tuition fee of the college they get allocated in round 2. Original document should be submitted to KEA Bangalore, and between 14th of December to 15th of December up to 5 p.m. So you need to go and visit KEA office physically there, and last date of reporting to allotted medical or dental colleges is 16th. So 16th is the last date before 4 p.m. Okay. So, and one more thing, in case you get any seat allotted in round 2, let me tell you a scenario. You had done the choice filling in round 1 and don't have liberty to add new choices, and you don't want BDS college, but unfortunately you don't delete also the BDS choices and you get BDS college. Just you are giving a trial, hoping that you get MBBS college, and you don't join the allotted college in round 2, then KEA has authority to take legal action against you. Let me highlight the point where they have clearly mentioned where they can take legal action against you. So you can read out these points: deposition of document. Okay, so point number 3, post allotment procedure implications. Point number 3, if any candidate fails to report to the college after allotment of the seats in second round, legal action will be initiated against such candidates in accordance with law. So be careful, don't take it lightly. The first round was free exit round where you got seat allocated and you left it as it is. You went for choice 1, but you don't have such liberty in round 2. Okay, so with this I'm going to end the video. When they publish in the later video, I will come up with the mock result cutoff as per mock allotment. What is the cutoff and how it is different, we will compare with round 1 cutoff and the mock allotment cutoff of round 2 in the later video, and we will publish one more video when the result gets announced on 13th. So until then, take care and have a good day. Bye.